Hello friends, this is Dr. Pritesh Singh, National Level Surgery Faculty and Faculty of Surgery at PrepLadder. See, lots of students and lots of people, they have this FOMO in the life. Students for PG entrance preparation, they have FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. So first, let's see the stories of some of our batchmates who are having this kind of problem. And it could be you as well. One of your friend is going to buy all the review books. Whenever that student is starting the preparation, he is going to buy all the review books, he is going to buy all the notes, going to attend T&D, test and discussion, crash course, even revision courses also. Whenever he is studying, he is going to open the books, he is going to open the review books, even notes. And first, before studying, he is just comparing that what is the stuff given in various books. And he is comparing that which point is missing in the notes. So obviously he is not doing it always, but many times during the preparation, these kind of students are having this kind of comparison that this point is missing in this particular notes, this point is given in the review books. Let me tell you, these students are having self-doubt also, whether I'm following the best resource or not. They have the self-doubt. And now what's the problem? The main problem is that you cannot go through all the review books, you cannot read all the notes simultaneously, you can revise all the notes also. Why? Because all of us are having only 24 hours in a day, and we have at generally 1 year for the preparation. So roughly we have 1 year of PG preparation and we have only 24 hours in a day. That's for everyone. So we have two options. Either we can use one source of preparation for multiple times, or we can use multiple sources of the preparation for one time. You tell me which approach is better. So obviously it's the first approach, one source of preparation for multiple times. Obviously it is going to give the best results. So what's the rule number 1 of PG entrance preparation? That one source of preparation should be done multiple times. Don't be a notes collector or MCQ collector. What do you mean by notes collector or MCQ collector? You have seen some of the students are, photocopying some points of notes from some other source. They are, collecting 2-3 sources and they are just writing down every information they get anywhere else into the notes. So don't be a notes collector or MCQ collector. Whatever the source you have, you just follow to that particular source. So stick to your source of preparation and revise it multiple times. At your final stage of preparation, you have seen some of the students, some of your batchmates, even seniors, they are going to tell you that this particular book is a magical book. And this magical book is going to include all the important points of all the 19 subjects. And without this single book, top rank is not possible. Now let me tell you, that person is not guiding you. Actually, that person is misguiding you. There is no magical book. So at the final stage of your preparation, don't buy any other new book so that you are going to read it. So don't get trapped by these advices. In your preparation, you can go through the review books, means previous year questions. For solving previous year questions, you can buy the new book. But any kind of new book, new notes, or any kind of review book at the final stage of your preparation, it's dangerous. Why? Because that book will steal your precious time from the revision. So I'm repeating once again, the rule number 1 is one source of preparation for multiple times. Now second problem, it is related to the classes. I have seen that many students are just wasting tremendous amount of time in comparison of faculties, that I have attended class of this faculty and he is best. They are just having some kind of dominance, that's why they are doing this kind of discussion. And even they are having this kind of discussion on social media also, that this faculty member is best. Now, if you haven't attended the class of that particular faculty member, you are having some kind of problem. You have some kind of FOMO, that I must attend the class of that particular faculty member. Now, let me tell you, in most of the coaching institutes or in online platforms, most of the faculties are good. So, if you have attended the class of any of these faculties, or you watch the videos of these faculties, that is more than sufficient. At the end moment or in the final stages, no need to do it again. You have to mainly focus on revision. Why again? Because we have 24 hours in a day and roughly 1 year of PG preparation. So if you keep attending all test and discussions, if you keep attending all crash courses, all revision courses, actually you are stealing the precious time from your revision. So what is the rule number 2? Yes, multiple revisions. Multiple revisions. Third important point, that we have to make a clear-cut plan. The plan should be divided into monthly plan, weekly plan, and even you should be having a plan for the last week of your preparation too. So on the daily basis, you have to divide your study time into active learning, into passive learning, that how much topic or which particular subject you are going to revise, how many MCQs you are going to solve. For GTs, means what's your target for a week or for a month, means how many GTs you are going to solve in a month or in a week, and which topic videos you want to watch. So you have to make a plan, clear-cut plan, and very important, this planning should be on the paper. It should not be in your brain, because that will evaporate. So there should be a clear-cut written plan of your preparation. So what's the rule number 3? Have a clear-cut written plan of preparation, and the most important aspect of this rule number 3 is what? Written plan. So what's the carry home message? Let me tell you, more study, more confusion, less study, less confusion, no study, no confusion, and no selection also. Adequate study plus multiple revisions, it leads to good rank. It's the adequate study with multiple revisions that leads to good rank. So don't add any new source of preparation in final stages. You should solve at least 5 years of NEET PG questions and INI-CET and AIMS if you are preparing for NEET PG and INI-CET. And if you are preparing for FMGE exam, you should solve at least 5 years of last FMGE papers. Some students are having self-doubt and notes doubt. Self-doubt as well as notes doubt, whether my notes is sufficient or not, whether this is a good source or not. So don't have self-doubt as well as notes doubt. Just focus on your notes, previous year questions, rapid revision videos. Keep studying, keep revising. Good luck.